XRP is soaring. Anxieties is understandable given the skyrocketing price. More intriguing still is the fact that XRP pricing experts are projecting it might hit $420 soon. Yes, it does sound completely insane. However, this is merely the start, since first Ripple must succeed in its lawsuit against the SEC. We'll take care of that as well, including bringing you the newly disclosed classified documents that spell everything out. If you want to know all there is to know about XRP Ripple, this video is it. You must not pass it up. Notably, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler recently announced his departure with effect from January 20th, which happens to be the same day as Donald Trump's inauguration, a move that will have a profound impact on the cryptocurrency business. As word of Gensler's resignation spread, it signaled not only the end of his tenure, but also the beginning of what may be a more favorable regulatory climate for XRP and the wider crypto community. In response, the markets rallied, with XRP at the forefront of the charge, experiencing a huge jump that many are now referring to as Bull December. Many scandals have surrounded Gensler, who is notorious in crypto circles for taking an unwavering position. The SEC became a dangerous rival to the sector due to his stringent enforcement methods. Particularly difficult under Gensler's leadership was Ripple, the company behind XRP. Ripple was accused of conducting unregistered securities offerings in the 2020 SEC action, which was started by former chairman Jay Clayton. The penalty demanded was a whopping $1 billion to be paid over 3 years. After spending over $100 million on legal bills, Ripple fought tooth and nail. Judge Annalisa Torres made a historic ruling in July 2023, ruling that XRP could be categorized as a security in institutional transactions, but not in sales to individual investors on exchanges. Ripple scored a partial success with this nuanced ruling, which reduced the penalty from $1 billion to $125 million. Although he welcomed the judgment as an improvement, Stuart Alderoty, chief legal officer of Ripple, acknowledged the tremendous burden the conflict had placed on the business because Gensler's departure is approaching. Twitter user Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, couldn't help but poke fun at Gensler, saying that the resignation was the most thankful thing for Thanksgiving. Also joining in on the fun was Elon Musk, who has had his fair share of brushes with the SEC. In a joking tweet, Musk questioned the SEC's work ethic and made a passing reference to Trump's ambitions to overhaul efficiency in government through a new agency that he playfully called Doge, short for Ripple and XRP. A potential game changer might be Gensler's departure. After losing its most formidable rival, Ripple may now be able to go on with its long-awaited initial public offering, IPO, and get clearance for an XRP-based exchange-traded fund, ETF. These innovations have the potential to take XRP to the next level, solidifying its place in the cryptocurrency market and providing validation to its worldwide community. The entire cryptocurrency market sees this as a turning point and has jumped on the bandwagon with a GIF proclaiming "Damon be gone." Uniswap founder Hayden Adams captured the spirit, an allusion to the stifling regulatory constraints that Gensler's administration has imposed on innovation. On the other hand, Gensler kept his cool as he walked away. In his announcement of resignation, he stated that the SEC has fulfilled its mission and enforced the law without favoritism or fear. As Exo succinctly put it, however, his exit is seen by the crypto community as a symbolic triumph. In the immediate aftermath of Bolsinger's announcement, XRP, Bitcoin, and a slew of other coins began to surge in value. With Gary Gensler's departure, XRP Ripple has taken center stage as the world mends itself and its actors prepare to perform their parts. Bullish momentum is rising as the legal disputes ease. How much further can XRP go? That is the real question, not what will happen next. Be sure to stay for the jaw-dropping forecasts made by the top experts. I guarantee you that you will not want to pass on what may turn out to be the most significant chance of the year. Man, thanks to some daring forecasts, some interesting chart patterns, and what seems to have been a temporary price hiccup that put XRP above $146 on a number of exchanges, the XRP community is going absolutely bonkers. In a series of tweets, prominent figures like Crypto Geek and XRP Queen have hinted at the possibility of an unprecedented development. The former has predicted a spike in the next 24 to 48 hours, while the latter has urged XRP believers to repost their trust in the cryptocurrency's ability to reach $100 or even higher. As for the $589 prophecy, Ominix brought it up again and said that nobody can stop it. But are these astronomically lofty goals really achievable? Crypto Bull, a market analyst, recently published a research based on historical patterns that predicted XRP might reach 4.27.2%, or an astounding $420. Based on XRP's pattern of escaping symmetrical triangles, these predictions are made, an ongoing pattern on the chart that has reliably foreshadowed significant price increases. The future of XRP can be better understood by looking back at its past. At the end of 2013, XRP experienced a steep decline, falling to below 1 cent. However, it emerged from its initial symmetrical triangle in October 2014, and by the following month, it had rallied 600% to reach 2 cents. That was merely the first step. After forming another triangle in 2017 and 2018, XRP broke out, setting a new all-time high of $3.03 and causing a staggering 750% rise. In 2021, XRP reached around $2 after a breakout from the most recent symmetrical triangle. Now, Crypto Bull claims that XRP is about to complete its fourth triangle and that another breakthrough is likely based on past events. At the present price of XRP, let's analyze the numbers. Increasing to $4.02 would be a 605% increase, while increasing to $7.02 would be a 1100% spike. Although these numbers are lofty, they are not out of the question considering XRP's past. The most extreme forecast, however, of $420, a startling 7,044% increase, raises doubts about the project's viability. If XRP were to make such a jump, its market cap would reach $22.5 trillion, which is more than the GDP of most countries. Some think this is too optimistic, however. Proponents of the scenario point to XRP's 75000% gain in 2017 as evidence. With the correct triggers coming together, clear regulations, ETF clearance, and wider adoption could historically repeat again, but on a far grander scale. It is conceivable for the seemingly impossible to become realistic. When we talk about the forces behind XRP's relentless pace, we can't ignore the revolutionary connections Ripple is building. These relationships are making worldwide adoption a reality, not just a pipe dream.